Point 2. LLC, Link Express. Introduction to Transportation Module 1 Training. Part 1. What is a freight broker? A freight broker is a middle entity between a shipper moving goods and a freight carrier who has the assets to move those goods. What is a freight dispatcher? A freight dispatcher is a middle entity between the freight broker and freight carrier. What is a freight carrier? A freight carrier is an entity with assets moving goods from shipper to receiver from the freight dispatcher. Part 2. What skills and knowledge are needed? A freight broker, freight dispatcher need effective communication skills, basic computer and technology skills, apps and software knowledge. A freight carrier needs driving skills, effective communication skills, basic computer and technology skills, apps and software knowledge. Point 2. Link Express. DreEdgeEnterprise.com